guys, so I have a slightly different video for you today. It is a wig review. This wig is from Everyday Wigs, and I have done a wig review video before, but this is a different company, but once again synthetic lace front wig. I thought I'd do a video on it because they offered to send me one, and I thought I'd show you in case you were interested in wigs. Obviously I usually have bright coloured hair, and this is kind of another option for you to go with if you're too scared to dye your own hair or don't want to damage your hair. Because trust me, my hair is definitely not in the best state, but I am trying. And I do have a hair video on how I dye my hair and try and keep it to a good undamaged state. So this video is literally me just showing you how I put this wig on, telling you my sort of thoughts on it and a few bits about the wig itself. Is a synthetic lace front, but I have cut the lace off already and it was already parted in the middle, but I have added a bit of concealer down the middle just to give it a bit more of a natural like scalp look, which I have done in my previous wig video. If you want to check that out, you can see it. I'll put the link down below. This one is 24 inch. I do have some footage where I show you the back. It is huge and it is massive. The density is 150% density. I don't know loads about wigs, to be honest, but I know this one's big and I can tell 150% is big and heavy. This one is like a wavy, silky texture. I think it is heat resistant, but I don't know the temperature. They did not give me a temperature, so I probably wouldn't put heat on it, but I think you can, and if you did want to, I'm sure you could just email the customer service. The use life for one of these wigs is apparently 4 to 6 months, but it is depending on how much you use it, depending if you wear it every day or just special events. I'm sure it'll last forever if it's more of an event kind of deal for you, or even just pictures for your social media. This wig itself is $98. but you can use my code for 15% off. But I did just check their Instagram and they have a code at the moment for 30% off, so I'll put all those down below in case you're interested. For me, wigs are a bit of fun. I don't think I'd wear them every day. They are super hot. I get hot really quickly, but they are amazing for pictures, for events, especially if you don't want to bleach and kill your hair, etc. Or even if you go for something more of a natural colour but you want the length and the volume, it's up to you. They have so many different styles. I picked this one. It has sort of an ombre root, which I was hoping would look a little bit more realistic, but to be honest, I have a really tiny forehead, which I've been noticing in past months, so I don't know if it looks okay, but we just work with it. Guys, let me know your thoughts down below, because I feel kind of clowny, but I feel like clowns are in at the moment. Like a Pennywise clown. Maybe I'll do something for Halloween with this wig. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sorry it's not a makeup video like you guys are used to, so I'll definitely try and get one of those up in the next few days. And I'll see you on my next video. Thanks, guys.